Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday to you. It is Monday, November 19th, 2018. Welcome to your history class lesson for today. We are not having a live session because it is an asynchronous day, but you will have some work to do on your own. Today, we're going to be reviewing our first 5 lessons in Unit 4, and you'll be taking a quiz tomorrow. Here is what's on our list of things to do. Make sure you have everything completed before you can finish your history work for today. First, I want to make sure that you have finished Friday's scavenger hunt. I know many of us did not get finished with that in class. I didn't want to give it to you as homework over the weekend, but you can take your class time today to complete that scavenger hunt. What you will need to do is go into your online school and look for Friday's lesson. It was Unit 4, Lesson 5, and look for the class slides. You can open the class slides and you'll see exactly what I shared with you on Friday in class. The link to the Google form is in the lesson content in the online school, so you should be able to find that. Make sure you finish the scavenger hunt and submit that Google form down here. Submit the Google form for Lesson 5. That is counting as your graded assignment, but it is also your study notes for that day's lesson. So you'll need to put your email address in there so you can get a copy of the questions and answers sent back to you. Hey, if there's any questions on that, you can email Mrs. Love. After you finish your scavenger hunt, you're going to play a flip quiz game. We did this, I think, in Unit 3. Some of us did this as a small group for a review. This time, you're just going to be playing it on your own. Or maybe you can have someone at home play it with you. But there's a link to the flip quiz. Actually, you should see a link below the slide in the file I sent to you, but I also emailed to you and I also put it in today's class announcements, so it should be easy for you to find. Please play this game at least one time. Uh-oh, I have a typo up here. It should say at least one time. But better yet, if you don't know a lot of the answers, play it a few times, okay? This is a review. This is to help you remember what we have learned in our first few lessons. If you're not remembering all the questions, you need to keep reviewing. Now, some other things you could do today if you want to do some review is during the first few lessons in Unit 4, I shared a lot of little videos with you during our classes. What I did was I put all the links to the videos in one place. You should see them on this, the class slide form for today below this slide. I might make a special document that has a list of all the video links and put it in your online school under today's lesson. So look for something there that says video links. Go ahead and watch them all. Videos are a great way to review the material to remind us what we have learned. Okay, some other things that you should do today to prepare for tomorrow's quiz. Complete and review all your guided notes. Remember, those, if you have them all completed before the unit test, you can get some extra credit points. But the better thing about doing this is it's helping you review and remember what you have learned. That is going to prepare you to do better on your quiz. Other things you can do, every lesson in the online school has the class slides that I show you in class every day. You can go back and look at each of those for lessons 1 through 5. Also, any notes or snips that you take from class, go back and read those. We had a lot of vocabulary in this unit. And then, of course, those guided question forms that you've been doing, and they're supposed to be completed, and then you automatically get a list sent to your email box. That is a study guide for you. Use it. Go back and read it. Quiz yourself. Cover up the answers and see if you remember them. Have someone else ask you the questions and see if you can explain the answers to them. And of course, make sure you have done all the readings for chapter 33 through 36. So tomorrow you'll be taking the quiz. The quiz will be in your online school. It's a quiz, not a test, so it's not in Elluminate. It's just in the regular online school. I'll put a link to it in the class announcements tomorrow morning. But check your announcements because you're going to have another set of instructions to go along with that quiz. I want to make sure that everybody is on track. Mrs. Love will not be available Tuesday and Wednesday. I I'm taking days off to travel with my son to New York City for the big Thanksgiving Day parade. So I won't be able to communicate with you. If you have any real problems with computers or accessing the test, try to ask one of the other teachers through email. We won't have live classes those days, but teachers are in conferences, but they will be answering emails. So have a great day. Please study, study, study. Um, do great on your quiz. Check your announcements tomorrow and Wednesday morning so you know what you are supposed to do each day. And have a fantastic fall break. I will see you guys back on Tuesday. Bye, everyone.